So I kind of suck at vlogging this morning. I totally forgot that I wanted to film my day with you guys, and I just finished a breakfast, but I ate scrambled eggs with some mushrooms and onions in it, and I had some avocado toast with some hot sauce. Oh my boy. Do you want the window open? You want the window open? Oh my goodness, last night I made this bed for Yoda. And he's so cute, he fell asleep in it. It was adorable. Hopefully I'll be able to go explore around the river around this time because it's just friggin' gorgeous out. So I wanna get my, I guess, ish done as soon as possible because I don't want to waste this beautiful day. It's been gray for a while, so I definitely want to take advantage of this beautiful weather. Cool. Now I just need to put my hair up and brush my teeth, and then we'll get going. Okay guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but if you see that thing right there, that's the goal we're trying to get to. Let's go. I'm pretty excited. I've never been here before, so let's go check it out. So here we are. The sun is out. It's freaking gorgeous out, man. But I'll show you guys a little after when we get a little closer. But down at the bottom, there's the river. And I have some edibles on me, so maybe we'll take some. I finished my business for the day. I went home and made myself a protein shake, did the dishes, hung out with my kitty for a bit, and now I get to finally enjoy this beautiful day, and that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna live it to the fullest while trying to and explore and adventure some new territory that I've always wanted to check out. So here's my chance, and now we're doing it, guys. I'm excited. I'm a little bit nervous, only because it's springtime now, and the bears and shit are out, so we'll see about that. But look at this beautiful view behind me, and there's this side. It's gorgeous, minus the cars, but it's gorgeous. Whoa, I could literally feel my feet stepping on the thing, making movement. Okay, I got this. Ooh, look at the water, guys. Look, guys, this is so cute. I think this is my new favorite spot. Oh my goodness. Aw. What's in it? Oh, it looks like hearts. Like painted on rock hearts, you know? Aw. Aw. That's awesome. Just spreading some love. That is so cool. Oh, look, a butterfly. We're doing this with each other, guys, literally. So this is all sand. What's up, guys? I mean, there's footprints. Oh, I worked out yesterday, guys. I did my workout routine yesterday, and I filmed it for you guys. Whew. Here. Whew. This is where I'm walking from. Definitely have sand in my shoe. But we got this. Okay. Don't look down now, Rochelle. I can't. Okay. Whew. Yo, there's some more trails up here. Okay. Holy fuck. I did it! Yes! Holy freak! Holy shit. That was definitely tough, guys. But I'll show you the bottom 1 second. So this is what I climbed up from the bottom all the way to here. Now I'm surrounded by beautiful nature. And like I said, there's another little trail that I will be taking. Ooh, what is this plant? Oh my goodness, it's like a succulent, holy shit. Here, I'll show you guys. Oh my god, look at that beautifulness. So far we made it, guys. So, we just have a little bit more ways to go and then we'll see from there. Woo! I did it! Yay! I was so proud of myself. Woo! Okay, so I'm gonna take some pictures. We're gonna have a photo shoot now. Look at the beautiful monarch. Hi, butterfly. This is my view at the moment, guys. This is where I were just a second ago. This is how high up we are. Some more trails over there, but I don't think we're gonna venture very far today. We did it! Hello, Mr. Squirrely! Oh dang, there's some whole bunch of trails over here. There's another trail that goes over here, behind those bushes. And then there's another little trail. But I won't go any deeper without somebody here with me, so I saw what I wanted to see and I enjoyed the beauty of it and the adventure up. I don't want to stay too long. Like I said, there's wildlife, so let's go back down and I'll finish the rest of my video. You guys probably want to see me go down, hey, if I eat poop. Do it for the vlog. Whee! Ah! I'm literally sliding, guys. Whoa! Okay. I hope when you guys see this vlog to remember and to remind yourself to go in nature and just soak in all of the beauty and the abundance we have within nature. It's given us so much and we've grown so much apart from nature, but it's a great reminder to appreciate and respect Mother Nature for who she really is and what she's done for us. And I'm just so grateful, you know. I'm very, very appreciative and grateful, thankful for the abundance and the love. It's amazing to be able to explore, and definitely going to see more of it on my channel. Can't get better than this, guys. I'm just so happy and pleased with myself and just grateful. Again, I'm in love and I'm in awe with this trail and just nature and the beauty of it in general. It's amazing. Sorry, I'm gonna slide again. Woo! Cardigan down! Oh no! Okay. I just figured it's easier to slide down, you know, instead of definitely laundry day when I go home. Look at this, guys. I literally literally slid down all of that, guys. Okay, we have this much. Well, I don't know if you can see the steepness, but we're about halfway there now. That was so fun. Whoa! Oh, shit. Oh, this is fun. Here, I'll show the front side of it now that you can. Here we are. I'm inching my way. Okay, stop. Stop. There's some little steps that you can go through. Okay, we stand now. Woo! Almost. Okay, now I fell. Okay. Woo! Okay. Now we have this to go down, which I will probably slide on my butt again. Oh my goodness! Oh shit, look at that rock. Okay. Alright guys. Pants are all dirty. That was fun. But I think I'm gonna walk the rest of this way. Oh, look at that. You know you did good when you messy. Ah! I love this. Oh my goodness, I feel like a kid again. Oh yeah. Oh, my bag is hella dusty. But I need to empty out my shoes, and I thought it'd be fun on camera just to show you guys. Ah! Don't mind my mismatched socks. Look, it's Yoda! But look at that, guys. Yeah. Okay guys, we're definitely back from where we once were, and we were up there. Also, I lost my edible. I put it in the back pocket of my bag, and normally I put my wallet and my keys there. My wallet was in there. Thank God I didn't lose that. That would have sucked. Do you know how hard it is to get ID when you have no ID? Didn't lose that, but really sad I lost my edible. Let's go home now, guys. It's time to go. Time to go home. It was a great adventure while it lasted. The sun's going away a bit, but it is still warm out, which is great. But I had fun. I had so much fun, and